Average is a new topic for you. What is average? Average means we have to find out the mean of any number. I am giving one example. In one room there are 5 people are sitting, and weight of each people are, for example, first I am taking a number 45 kg. Second person weight is 25 kg. Third person weight is 50 kg. Fourth person weight is 37 kg. And fifth person weight is 28 kg. Okay. This is the number of people are 5 and weight are different. And if I have to find out what is the average weight in that room, so what we have to do, there are number of people are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number we can write down, total number we can write down 5. Okay. And if we have to find out the sum of the values, we have to add this 45 plus 25 plus 50 plus 37 plus 28. So this is called average. Sum of the values divided by total number of values. So total number is given here 5. We have to find out the sum of values. Let's add it. 45 plus 25 plus 50 plus 37 plus 28. Okay. Now 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 5 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. Carry 2. 2 to 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So total sum of values is 185 kg. Now we are knowing the formula, sum of the values divided by total number of values. So we will use this formula and just see how to do this. So sum of the weight is 185 kg, sum of the weight, and number of people are 5. So average weight we have to take out. This is a type of fraction, and fraction is called division. So we can do it like this also. If you are having doubt, you are not able to understand, make a rough column. 185 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. This 3 will come down. This 5 will come down. 5 7s are 35 minus 0. Okay. So we can say that the average weight of the people are 37 kg. Understood? We are having 5 persons. Each persons are having different weight. Now if I have to ask what is the average weight of that room, in that case what to do? We have to add the number total weight, and then how many numbers are there? 5 numbers, because 5 people are there, and then divide this by this. Now move to the second example. Just go. Let's start with the second example. The second example is odd numbers between 11 to 20, and we have to find out its average. Okay. It is given there odd numbers between 11 to 20. First we will write down all the odd number between 11 to 20. When we are talking about between, in that case we will not include 11 and 20. So what is the next odd number? That is 13, 15, 17 and 19. So how many odd numbers are there? 4. So total number is equal to 4. Sum of the values is equal to 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Let's add it. 9 plus 7 16. 16 plus 5 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. Carry 2. 2 1 3, 1 4, 1 5 and 1 6. It is 64. Now I told you the formula in the first example. Average is equal to sum of values divided by total number. Clear? So what is average? Average is equal to sum of values divided by total number of values. So sum of values is given here. We find out it 64. We have to divide it by 4. 64 divided by 4 is 4 1 ja 4. I can do it directly, but if you are having problem, you can make a rough column and divide it. So it is 4 1 ja 4. Now 2 is left over. Mental division I taught you. And 4 6 ja 24. So 16 4 ja 64. Clear? We have checked also. So this is the average of all odd numbers between 11 to 20. So I hope you understood the average. Again I am revising it. First we have to find out how many numbers are there. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So total number is 4. Second, whatever the numbers are given, we have to add it. Here it is number, somewhere it is money, somewhere it is weight, somewhere it is days, somewhere anything we can take. It's height, average height. Okay, they can ask you any type of question related to your routine life. Okay, so here I have taken the numbers. So some of the numbers first we will find out what is this 64. Then we have to write the formula in every question. It is compulsory to write the formula. So average is equal to sum of values divided by total number of values. So sum of values I have taken out 64 and then total number of values is 4. 64 divided by 4, the answer is 16. So write down this answer is 16. Okay, now solve some exercises and do the practice. Now here are some questions of average. First one, we have to find out the average of 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. The second one, find the average of 50, 52, 54, 56. And the last one is find the average of 28 meter, 46 meter, 22 meter and 14 meter. I hope you understood this topic. Solve all the exercises, do the practice and be very good in maths by practicing again and again.